Hi, I'm Waziullah with ComputerExpo.com. We're about to show how to replace LCD screen. This is a Dell model Inspiron 3520. Anyhow, any Dell computer or most of the computers, first you have to find a way to open the top cover. In this case is a pop-up. A lot of other models have screws in it, either top and the bottom. In this case, you just basically pry it open. That's your top cover. Just set aside. Now get to the screen, and the screen typically hold multiple screws on either both top side or the bottom side. In this case, we'll go ahead, find the screw spot right here, and first of all we'll try to separate it loose from the top. And save those screws in a certain container so you have it readily available. You do need a Phillips head screwdriver for the laptop, especially small size. So we got the top two open, and once your top two open, it will lose up a little bit, so you can take the side screws. You can see pretty much very simple and easy. And there's another one right there. So two screws is out, and work on the other side. Same thing. So here we go. We take out the old screw, and there's a back. You have to be careful about those couple LED cable. This is LED. You got it right here. Your screen, your camera cable, and then of course this is LCD cable in the back. Once you replace this, take this off, and now you have broken LCD. Replacing with a new one. Go find the LCD screen that matches the back panel. Typically this is the LCD screen replacement, both of them LED, and we will go ahead replace that LED screen. First put this connector back on. You have to be very careful about your pin. Need to go properly. So once you have it clicked, this plastic is in our way, LCD. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it back our camera connector in the back. We can simply just test it before we put the screws back on. Just set it right there and take that SC adapter, right, there you go. We got SC adapters, put it on, and we should have a good working LCD. Just shut it off now. This is, and then of course once everything is done, you can just go ahead, tighten the screws back on both sides, and then put the cover back on. Snap your cover back the way it was, and pretty much once you do these things, you'll have completed the show. Thank you very much.